Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making slime. And today's slime I'm going to be using these ingredients. Shaving cream, glow-in-the-dark glue, and food coloring. Oh boy, these two fell. Oh, that's not good. Oh boy, this one keeps falling. The first step is glue. So I gotta take this off. Oh boy. Oh wow, that was fast. This glue is glow-in-the-dark. Oh boy. Gotta keep putting this. The next step is adding 1/4 cup of water. Oh boy, I think some got out. Oh well. Next you have to mix the water and the glue. And while you're doing that, add some shaving cream. Oh boy, yeah. Okay, I'm using all of this. While you're mixing the shaving cream, you can add any food coloring you want. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. This is how you make sticky slime. If you guys want to learn how to make fluffy slime, stay tuned for my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more videos.